In this video, we're going to look at a few of the questions from question 5 of exercise 6.7. So we're solving this equation, but as you can see from the domain, we're in radians. Now, this is a question that we're not supposed to use our calculator in. So we're going to start off in our standard way. We're going to find our related acute angle. If I don't have a calculator, I'm thinking about my exact values. And if you have your exact value table written out with both your degrees and radians, you should be able to pick out that the sine of 1/2 should give you an angle pi/6. Okay, so we then draw out our sine graph going between 0 and 2 pi. So a single sine wave up to basically 360 or 2 pi. Okay, and where is this graph 1/2? Well, it's a half at this point here, and it's a half at this point here. So our acute angle is pi/6, that distance is pi/6, that distance is pi/6. So our solutions are x equals pi/6 and pi take away pi/6. Again, think about this with numbers. Think about that as 1 take away a sixth, and you're left with 5/6. And that is you done.